Come test drive the 2007 Lucerne. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.